Hello, this is Vincent Martinez, and this is my final project. After going over everything for my final project, as you can see, I've used the our our base that we've been working off of, our base project we've been working off of as like a starting point for this. Here with the main menu, main scene, and some other stuff that you may recognize from from my past uploads. Here, I decided to make a simple game. Here we have it. It's called Apple Plunder. We're going to hit start, so it can at least just show simply how it works. Nothing too complex here. Start, and here we are. The player. You start with the player. You're trying to collect all these apples. You have a timer starting at 100, and it counts down. And and here we have the apples and whatnot. The whole level, it's like I made the level rather large for so that it does scatter the apples evenly throughout. Just gotta change that. But yeah, here we are. Here's the layout. I'll go over some of the other stuff in there. So first, here we have the apples. When I collect one and hit 20, I'm going to hit the windscreen. So I'm gonna ignore that to show off some of the other stuff. First of all, I added in some enemies that when I get close enough, they should aggro. Oh, whoops. Uh, whoops. I forgot to change their thing. What should happen, as you can see, they're going to a 1 point. That's their waiting point. Each of them was supposed to have one waiting point. I'll have to fix that in a little bit. But here, as you can see, when I am close enough, he's chasing me. But if I go far enough away, I'll leave his aggro range and he'll go back to the wait, and his waypoint will be set to like his where he's supposed to be waiting. But I accidentally forgot to set each the waypoints for each individual one, so they're all just trying to share one waypoint. Uh, Here, one thing we have is this clock. Whoops. There we go. Gotta fix a collision on that. As you can see, it added some time for my clock, for my timer, and when I collect I run out. Oh, whoops. Uh, Gotta fix that too, I guess. But yeah, the apple, you get it. Congratulate, whatever, you win. As the game tries to tell you. Going back here. Let me just show off some more of the level so you get it. But yeah. Oh, whoops. Got to look into fixing that too. Not looking good. But oh well. Yeah, going back here, trying to. Yeah, as you can see on the bottom screen, I have all that. I have the mapping set up so that the little guy, so these guys actually can chase me around. And again, as long as I'm within their aggro range, they'll just keep on chasing me. Doesn't matter how far away they go. It'll just as long as their little box can detect me, they'll keep going after me. And here we have some more of the apples lying around. Boop. Going into the technical side of things, here we have spread across the map. We have our apples first of all. Oh, yeah, they have like a little. They're pretty small. So I made the collider rather small in accident since they were like, connected. But yeah, you see the apples all spread across. Then we also have the enemies, which I made these Numamons from Digimon. These little mollusks looking guys. Yeah, they get the job done. And the power up available for the player is this clock, which there's a good chance you probably recognize it from Mario Galaxy. It's how it was from when I grabbed it from the database. The clock, let me pull that up. Time attack clock. Yeah, time attack clock is called. Here, the clock, it simply gives 5 seconds of time to your timer so that you can keep going. I did not make the box color large enough for that. That's a problem. So, but yeah, but as you saw earlier, it does detect it when it goes into there. The UI, of course, much same as we've gone over. Apple, like apples, health, name, time left, all like pulled from the scripts. So for all this, I made individual script for the coin and timer, so I don't have to worry about them like stepping on each other's feet. And pretty easy, pretty simple. Input behaviors where we have the stuff for the UI naturally, for the total count of our apples out of the total 20. It will keep track, and as you can see, also here in the updated is the is the if statement that if I reach at least 20 more those apples, I win. Here it's, as you can see, it's coins, because at first I was thinking about making it coins, but while looking through for just some items to use as like as just like little MacGuffin you're collecting, I saw those Animal Crossing apples that I'm using. I thought it looks nice. Let's use apples instead. But yeah, just a lot of stuff from our previous lectures is here, of course. But naturally, I turned plenty of it off. That stuff that I wasn't gonna need, like Player 2, UI for Player 2. The trigger the items that use the trigger interactions here. Again, they're off. To explain the enemy UI again. Where's the I glossed over them, but yeah, here we go. Now here you can see the big old box that's his aggro range. How I have it set up in the enemy script for him. Here we are. On trigger stay, the destination will be set to the player, but on exit is when it then decides to say, okay, wait, it's going to be the waypoint, this waypoint. And it will just return to that low waypoint where it's going to stand there and wait until at some point, for one reason or another, you end up entering its aggro range again. Looking it over. Yeah, simply for the apples and the coins, you grab one and then it pulls up the input behavior. It pulls up an add coin function I made for the input behavior, like with the damaging functions we did with our projectiles and whatnot. So here, add coin, add time, and here's the function for the function for the countdown. Just naturally, the timer is set to 100, then count. It's instantiated at 100, and it goes down based on time. It's multiplied by time. It's subtracted by time dot delta time. So that's why you see all those extra decimal points. I forgot how we go through and fix that, but still, yeah. When you grab one of the apples, it uses the add coin function. Since in the script it's still called coins, even though I decided to grab apples. Going around here, we have stuff we've already gone over. I'm trying to recall anything else I'm forgetting. No, but yeah, like a fair bit. There's very much plenty. This thing needs fixing up. That issue with the UI, like the timer not killing me when it hits 0, and some other just polishing this could go through. But other than that, thanks for watching, and thanks for a solid semester in this class. Hope to see you soon.